Hey there mga momsies! If you're new here on my channel, I am Mumzy Vany. For today's video mga momsies, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I assemble a bike. This is my first time doing it and I'm very excited. And let's all see kung successful ba ang pag-assemble ni Mumzy Vany ng bike. Alright? But before that, make sure that you have subscribed on my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my new uploads every week. Ayan, medyo visible pa yung ating color ngayon mga momsies na na-sunburn at nagtan talaga tayo from my previous vacation in Cebu. I did a vlog on that mga momsies. I hope you are able to watch it already. Anyways, yeah, as I've said, this is my first time to assemble a bike. Well, basically, some of the parts, especially yung mga gears niya, andun na yung sa atras na wheel ng bike. So, konti na lang yung i-assemble actually, but still, it's a challenge for me. And kung hindi nyo na itatanong mga mamazis, I am an engineer by profession. A computer engineer to be specific. And mahilig ako mag-assemble ng mga gamit. Like, minsan I buy yung mga tables or chairs. So, mahilig ako sa mga ganon. So, when I bought this bike for my daughter, sabi ko, I will have to get yung nakabox pa. Kasi yung reading bike na kasi hindi magkakasya sa sasakyan. So, I prefer getting yung hindi pa na-assemble talaga para talagang ako yung mag-assemble. And you know what's so funny mga momsies was that when the sales lady asked me kung sino mag-assemble ng bike, I just humbly said na ako, I'm gonna be doing it. So sabi nila, wow, so powerful mama ha, sabi niya. So, yeah. And of course, I did it with the help of my husband as well. I mean, I have to be honest. Kasi yung manual naman that came with the bike is mali. So, ayun. But then again, the reason why I bought this bike for my daughter is that she knows already how to bike without the balancer. So, yun yung challenge ko sa kanya. If you will learn to bike without the balancer, we will be getting you a new one. So, yeah. And I have to keep my promise on my daughter and there it is. So, yeah, I hope you will enjoy this mga momsies. So, let's get into it.